Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this cute little mini keychain. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle and 2 rings. This mini coin purse or a keychain looks so cute and beautiful, and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful coin purse, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. First we will join with one side of the ring, and then we will do the body part till the required length. Then we will join the other side of the ring. After that we will join the side to form like this cute little coin purse. So now let's see how to do them. To do this mini bag, we will start with a slip knot. So we'll take a ring, insert it through the ring, slip knot, pull through, chain 1. You're going to do single crochet inside this ring. So I'll be doing 10 single crochet inside the ring. After doing 10 single crochet, it looks like this. For next round, chain 1, turn your work. So in this first stitch, the back loop, you will be doing one slip stitch. Next, in the back loop, you are going to do a single crochet. Next, it's single crochet by taking the back loops. So likewise, you will be doing single crochet in each stitch by taking only the back loop till you are left with the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Now you're left with this last stitch. Last stitch, you're going to make a slip stitch. So for this project, we'll be working only on the back loops. So for next round, chain 1, turn your work. You're going to follow this row till the required size of the bag you want. That is, first stitch, the back loop, you're going to do a slip stitch. From next stitch onwards, you will be doing single crochet in each stitch till you are left with the last stitch. You will be doing them in the back loops. So for my bag, I'll be doing single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches by taking the back loops. So after doing them, it looks like this. Now we are left with this last stitch. Last stitch in the back loop, we are going to make a slip stitch. So it looks like this. This is the pattern you're going to follow till the required size you want. So for next row, chain 1, turn your work. So in the first slip stitch, in the back stitch, you are going to make a slip stitch. Next, in the back loop, you will be doing single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches. And next, in the last stitch, you will be making a slip stitch. You are going to continue this till the required length you want. So let's see how it looks after doing them. After doing them till the required length, it looks like this. Next, you take the next ring. You do chain 1, turn your work. You're going to join it with this ring. You're going to do single crochet in each stitch. Insert the hook in the first stitch by taking both the loops. Insert it in the circle and pull through. We'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you're going to join them with this circle by doing single crochet. After joining the ring, it looks like this. Next, you can extend the yarn little bit for weaving on for the sides. You can snip off this yarn. So next we are going to join the sides. So fold it like this and you are going to join the sides. So after joining them, it looks like this. Same way you are going to join this side also. So after joining the sides, the mini bag looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.